Here's Phoenix. Heading into Phoenix. It's pretty cool. It's driven by a belt.
Pitch black in here. So we just got off Phoenix, which is consistently rated in the top 10 coasters in the wooden coasters in the US, and I can totally see why. It was a ton of fun. It's not very tall, it's not super fast, but there are so many airtime hills, and the difference here between every other park is there is no seat belts. The only thing holding you into that seat is a lap bar, so it does feel like you are going to fly right out of the seat.
And that's why everybody loves it so much.
Yeah, I think so. But it also just goes to show you that you definitely don't need all those seat belts and crap that every place else uses to strap you in. You can just have a good time with the lap bar.